Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to discuss the most tricky IAS interview questions. Friends, I am not saying that reading these questions will help you crack the exam, but these IAS interview questions and answers will give you the idea about how to think and answer in front of the officials when a tough question is raised in front of you during the interview. Let's start with one by one. So our first question is, what is the difference between here and there? So the difference between here and there is the alphabet T. Now the next question is, what is the difference between vision, mission, aims and objectives? So your answer should be, vision is at the top of the broad overarching destination. The mission can be used in terms of technology. Aims and objectives have to do with long-term and short-term goals or outcomes of the mission. Now let's see our next question, and that is, can you make 7 an even number? Candidate may relate the question to mathematics, but it is a tricky question and you need to understand it well. So you can answer, it can be made even by removing s from 7. Next question, what ended in the year 1999? Now in this question, the interviewer wants to test your presence of mind. So your answer should be, as the new year 1999 begins, so the previous year, that is 1998, will come to an end. Next, what will happen if you throw a red stone into a blue sea? Answer will be, it will become wet. Next question, what is the center of gravity? Again a tricky question, and answer is in the question itself. Don't go deeply into science, it's a logical question. Answer is, T is in the center of gravity. Next question, what goes up when the rain comes down? And the answer is simple, an umbrella. Next, what happened when the wheel was invented? Answer, it caused a revolution. The interview panel expects a logical answer. Candidates don't need to go into deep. Next question, a cat has 3 children. The name of their children are January, February and March. What is the name of that cat? Now answer is in the question itself. What is the name of the cat? So the name of the cat is what? Next question, the interviewer bought a cup of coffee for the applicant. Coffee came kept in front of the candidate and then he asked, what is before you? The applicant's answer was tea. The question was, what is before you? That is alphabetic letter. These interview questions will be asked to test your accuracy. Next question, can you tell in which state is the Bay of Bengal? Now this is a hypothetical question, so without confusion candidate should give the answer. And the answer is in the liquid state. Next question, how will you lift an elephant with one hand? Now this is a tricky question, so the applicant must think out of the box. So the answer is, elephant with one hand cannot be found anywhere, so no need to lift that. Next question, what can you never eat for your dinner? These type of questions will be mostly asked to test your brain, so think twice before you give the answer. So your answer should be, we cannot have lunch and breakfast at the time of dinner. Next question, 2 twins Adarsh and Anupam were born in May, but their birth date is in June. How is that possible? Once again, the answer is already available in the question asked. So listening to the question deeply will help IAS interview attendees easily answer this question. The answer is May, because May is a place name. Next question, 8 people took 10 hours to build a wall, then how many days will it take for the 4 people to build it? So the answer is, wall has already been built by 8 people, so no need to build it now. If you have the ability to think out of the box, then you can answer these questions easily. Next question, can you name 3 consecutive days without using the words Wednesday, Friday and Sunday? You can answer it as yesterday, today and tomorrow. Next question, suppose you are the district magistrate of a district. 2 politicians, an MLA and an MP are tossing you around for political gains. What will you do? This question is generally asked to check your political knowledge. So your answer should be, I believe politicians are very rational people, hence I cannot imagine such a situation like this. And even if such a situation occurs, I will follow the rule and will also consult with my colleagues and seniors if the situation demands so. Next question, how can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking? So you may answer that concrete floors are hard, so an egg won't be able to break it. So friend, these were some of the common sense questions of IAS interview, and it can be of various types. Candidates should go through the transcript of other candidates and try to answer those questions in their own way. The interview round is never about the questions asked, but all about how the candidate responds to those. Actually, the interview panel wants to see how the candidate handles certain situations, addresses the IAS tricky questions, and how much clarity he or she has. So friends, I hope you guys might have found these questions useful for your dream of becoming an IAS officer. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.